Hi there, this is a quick help guide which will show you how to access Skype for Business on a device, so any kind of smartphone, an iPad or a tablet. So the first thing to do is make sure you have got the Skype for Business app installed on your device or your tablet. You'll be able to access this from whichever app store or Play Store that your device uses, and I would just say to make sure that it is the Skype for Business app rather than the basic Skype app. You'll be able to find that by searching Skype for Business, so you'll see that it's slightly different from the basic one, so make sure you've got the Skype for Business one. You don't need to open that right now. The first thing you do after you've got the app is to open up an internet browser, so Safari, Chrome or whatever browser you use. You're going to insert the link that was sent out to you in the web browser. You can copy and paste that, is probably the easiest way to do it, or if you are typing it, just make sure you use the capitals that are in the letters on the link, because it will be case sensitive. So I've popped the link there so you can see it. Once you have entered that, just click go or enter on your device, and then this page will come up. So here you'll see that it'll ask you whether you want to download and install Skype for Business. You will already have done this if you followed the first steps of the video. If you haven't done that yet, then that'll take you directly to somewhere that you can do it. But what I want you to do is click here, and that will let you join our Skype for Business. Alternatively, it will also let you click open at the top of the browser in order to open that. It'll probably open on its own, but if it doesn't open, then you can click that open right up in that right hand corner there. The next thing that will happen is the app will open and it will ask you whether you want to sign in or join as a guest. You want to join as a guest, so if you can click that bottom button, and then it will ask you to enter your name or your initials. Once you have done that, it'll just take a couple of seconds to let you join, so it'll just have a rotating circle and it'll say joining. Once you've joined, this is what it will look like. It might look slightly different depending on what device or tablet or iPad you're using. Roughly it will look like this. First thing you can do is click on the video to see the speakers. That will allow you to see the people talking, see the presentations and the videos that are being shared. Just make sure your own video is off, and there'll be an option for that comes on the screen. The second thing is to make sure that you are muted, so make sure that it shows you as muted rather than unmuted. And the third thing is that you can access the conversation by clicking that little button up in the top right corner. Once you've clicked that, a conversation bar will come up in the right hand side or possibly the left hand side depending on the device you're using, and you can type messages into that bar. You can type any questions that you've got, and we will try to get through as many of those as we can, just to make sure you are aware all of the questions can be seen by everyone, so they're public questions on the on that Skype for Business, so everyone will be able to see them. And lastly, if you click on the hang up button, it'll look similar to the one that you use on a phone call. At the end, that will let you end the meeting once we have finished.